Hello, you guys. It's Katie. I wanted to just show you a before photo, and then I wanted to show you an after photo. So I started using Rodan & Fields in 2015, and I had suffered from extreme sun damage, as you can tell. And I really wanted to address my sun damage. I had gone to an esthetician who put me on an esthetician-led line, and then I found out about this little secret. So a friend had said to me the other day when I did a live video, she said, "My goodness, you just keep looking better and better. I'd love for you to do a video because in a world where everything can look so photoshopped and fake and, photos don't show the real person, the authentic person, the genuine person, I'd love for you to show the real you, and so that people can really see that, this is real. I have a little bit of dermacosmetics on and a little bit of peptide powder. I have a little bit of mascara on and I have a little bit of lip gloss. But that's it. I'm not covering up that. I can't cover that up. So, this was just a fun video to say, you can Photoshop, but this is not Photoshopped. This is real. And I'd love to talk to you about Rodan & Fields. I'd love to share with you about the company, the residual income that I received. I'd love to talk to you about building your tribe. But I'd also like to talk to you just about the skincare, because whether you have sun damage, whether you have sensitive skin, whether you have acne, or whether you have wrinkles. I mean, that's pretty much the gamut, isn't it, of skin issues? So I'd love to meet with you. I'd love to meet up, whether it's Messenger or over the phone or in person, because I really do believe in everything that we do, top to bottom. My whole house uses the products. So you guys have a great day, and yay to Friday tomorrow, and yay to, upcoming weekend. And I love you all, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.